Hey everybody, Briar Goat Killer here. I'm out here deer hunting, been out here for 2 days. I'm about to head home, pack it up here in just a second. But before I do, I wanted to share with you how I maintain my knives in the field. This here's a Condor bush lore. And like I said, I've been out here camping for 2 days, splitting wood, chopping trails. You know, I hadn't put it on any bone yet because I hadn't killed a deer, but it's got a few little minor chips in it, teeny tiny ones. And although it's still sharp, it's not quite as sharp as I like it. So here's how I do it. I carry a little stone on my belt. This is a 4-inch by 1-inch Smith's soft Arkansas stone. And then I also carry a little thing of cooking oil in my cook kit for making pancakes and stuff. So hold on just a second and I'll show you how they work. First things first, I wet my stone in the creek, get plenty of good water on my stone. And this is a modified Scandi, it's more of a Scandi Vex. So I go a little bit steep with my stone, you know, with my knife on my stone. Do a couple of swirls there, polish that real good. And I lay the angle back just a little bit further. And I lay it almost flat, you know, with the whole bevel there. This is just to maintain that Scandi Vex with a stone. It's kind of hard. You know, I put these Scandi Vexes on here with sandpaper. But same thing on this side, right down on the edge. And a little bit shallower. And a little bit shallower. And I ended up with some nice smooth strokes, you know, right on the edge bevel itself, right where the actual cutting edge is contacting the stone. Very soft polishing strokes. Still got a little black stuff right there. I'll get that off. There we go. Then I test the edge. I feel it. Make sure it's even on both sides. Okay, it's a little sharper on that side, so we'll come back in here. Easy, almost no pressure at all, just the weight of the blade. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Now we'll go to strop and we'll test it. And to strop the blade, I just always wear a leather belt when I'm in the field, always. If I have to wear a tack belt, I take a leather belt in my bag. Pull that belt around the limb, nice and flat, nice and tight, and I strop the knife on that leather. and I give her a feel it, make sure it's nice and sharp. Oh yeah, I'll show you right now. And the proof is in the pudding. Hair popping sharp. There you go. Now let's oil her up. She'll be ready for the next hunting trip. Alright. Nice and shiny. Looking good. Just take just a little small amount of cooking oil. Put a drop on this side and a couple drops on the handle. Like so. Work it in. And actually, that was a little too much. I got plenty to cover the whole blade right there. Alright. Well, in case anyone was wondering, that's how I do it. I don't carry anything but that Arkansas stone in the field with me. Especially on a, this is 1075, it's pretty soft carbon steel. I don't carry nothing but that soft Arkansas stone and a little bit of oil and a leather belt. And you get a blistering sharp edge. See you on the next one.